Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could easily remove viruses from an SSD. Again, make sure that you are connected to the internet, open your browser and type Malwarebytes and hit enter. At this stage, you should click on www.malwarebytes.com and you should download and install this software. It's very easy. So here, get virus scan and clean up your device. Just click on download now. You need to wait a bit until the download begins, and you should be able to see your download. After that, you can just double click on it and install it as you do install any software. So we are going just to skip this installation process. Just click install and you should be able to see this. You can skip the browser part. Once the installation is completed, click open Malwarebytes. This will pop up for you. So here we're going to select next to scanner, advanced scan, custom scan, and here we're going to select the devices that we want to scan. If you have a USB flash drive, SD card, external hard disk, external SSD, or even the Windows system. So for now, I'm going just to select the one which contains the least data so that the scan doesn't take long to show you what to click next. So E and start custom scan. At this stage, the scan will begin. The operation may take few minutes, and once completed, I will show you how to click. For now, I will pause the video here. So now that the scan is completed, if it has found any threat, it should say threat detected, shows you the number, and it should show you also the detections quarantined. And this is enough to clear the device from any kind of viruses, including Trojan, including malwares, and also including worms and other threats. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.